Hello, my name's Paul Cole with Super Gen Products, and today we're introducing a all-new model for 2019. It's our new 5,000 watt inverter. It's an open frame, it's manual start, but it has a 5,000 running watt and 6,250 surge. So it's our most powerful inverter to date. Showing you the panel here, we have an on-off switch. We have an eco throttle, which allows you to save fuel. By pushing it to eco, it only demands the fuel that it needs to carry the existing load. When the load drops off, so doesn't the RPMs, and it goes down to an idle. Or it'll drop to the level that it needs, not like some of these generators. They have what they call an auto throttle, that it's either all on or all off to idle when there's no load. This will allow the load to fluctuate based on demand and gives you the best fuel economy for your needs. You've also got an IntelliGauge right here. The IntelliGauge will give you a voltage reading. It'll give you a hertz reading or a frequency, and it will also give you total run time. You've got a DC outlet, and it comes with a charge cord to be able to charge batteries with. You also have a readout down here, 3 LED readout. Green indicates output power is at the panel. Yellow indicates low oil, and it will flash when you're pulling the rope. The red light indicates it's overloaded. In the event of an overload, you can reset the breaker with it running by just pushing this red button. Our other inverters all require a complete shutdown and restart. This one has the ability to reset with it running. You may need to unplug something if you're overloading the output. Now this has two 120 household type outlets with a GFCI reset in the middle, both of these. And you have a 240 volt output on this model. So you've got two 21 amp feeds coming out of this outlet. It's an L1430 type outlet. We have an extension cord that will plug into that, and it will give you two separate feeds of 120 volts times two outlets at the end of the cord. So 240 in America is actually two 120s. So you will get 240 voltage based on your needs, and you'll also be able to split that into two separate 120 feeds of 21 amps. Comes with a wheel kit. It's got a 301 cc engine. It is a manual start, and your cord pulls right from here. Choke is on the front panel at this time. It's got a nice handle to roll it with. It's got a nice weight factor. You've got a fuel gauge to indicate how much fuel you have remaining. The fuel capacity of this unit is, got to look at it myself here. I think it is 4 gallons. Let me see if it's on the next page. We're learning this somewhat as you are, but we're trying to get this information to market as soon as possible. The weight of it is 121 pounds. The height with the wheels is 23.7, width 25.6 inches, and length 26.6 inches. Gasoline capacity is 4 gallons, and that's enough to give you about 10 hours of running time on your, at half load. Okay, nice handle to roll it by, air clear, handy to get at. Let's roll it one more side here. Here's your engine, your auto throttle, your electronic throttle stepper motor, carbon canister for emissions, muffler system. Now they also have the Champion quick drain system. You'll see it right over here. This hose comes off the connection, the plug comes out, and it will drop into your pan. So changing oil is a breeze on this unit. Putting the oil in is a little bit more of a difficulty, but it does come with a nice funnel that has a flexible tube that will go right down into the filler hole. When you check the oil on this model, it's always important not to screw the dipstick in. If you do, you're going to get a low reading. You just want to set it in, read the X's up to the top of the dipstick. The top X is the upper level, but do not screw it in to do a test reading. Spark arrestor right here. There's a screen in there to prevent sparks from coming out. If there is ever any sparks, and it's rare that there is, they will burn out before they hit the ground with that screen. This unit is currently available at supergenproducts.com. We have stock on hand. It retails at $8.99 on our website, and that includes shipping. This will ship ground, so it can be shipped right to your house. No freight requirements on this model. That pretty well sums it up. We're looking forward to a great year with this model, and it's what people have been asking for, more output. And with the right kind of twin air system in your camper, this should power both air conditioners, no problem. Now keep in mind, it does put out 240 volt output. If your camper requires only 120, then you should not connect this generator to your camper. There's a variety of systems nowadays with the RVs that may warrant 50 amps of 120 versus 225s at 240, which is all it would really need. Once again, if you have any questions, contact us directly at supergenproducts.com. That's our email address and website. Our email address is info@supergenproducts.com. If you want to contact me directly for any questions you might have, you can always reach me at our 24-hour tech line number, 18-generator. And that translates to 843 area code 637-2867. Give us a call. We answer our phone 24 hours a day. We're always here to help you with any technical issues you may have with your Champion or even other brand generator. If you've got questions that I might be able to offer some assistance, feel free to call us. Thanks for your time. Have a great holiday. It's December 20th here in California, a nice California day. I'm sure there's a lot of parts of the country that are going to have some bad weather this winter. If you need a generator, definitely consider supergenproducts.com as your source. We have locations in Los Angeles and also upstate New York near Rochester. And that one is in Newark, New York, not New Jersey. If you're in New Jersey, it's a 350-mile drive to Newark, New York. We get this question all the time, can I come right over and pick up a generator? Yes, you can if you want to drive 350 miles. However, if you are close enough to our warehouse, we do have the option for you to pick up at our warehouse, and by doing so, you're going to save some shipping costs that are built into our online pricing. Give us a call. We're listed under contacts with all our numbers and addresses in our website, supergenproducts.com. The model number on this new unit, you'll see it in our website under the inverter heading, is 100519, and it's a 2019 model. We're one of the only ones to have this generator available. Give us a call. Thanks for your time. Have a great holiday.